Defence Minister Rajnath Singh welcomed the Golden Arrows Rafale jets as it landed in Haryana's Ambala Air Force Station, escorted by two Sukhoi 30 MKIs. Singh said that the touchdown of the 5 fighter aircraft marks the beginning of a new era in our country's military history. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also welcomed the jets. A part of security tightening measure and prohibitory orders, the Ambala district administration had barred people from flying private drones within the 3-kilometer radius of the airbase. Roads leading to the Air Force Station were also sealed till 5 p.m. today. Section 144 was imposed in 4 villages closer to the airbase. Let's move on to next news. The new education policy NEP 2020 has introduced major reforms in school education that detach high stakes from board examinations, introduce internship in vocations for class 6. The NEP 2020 was announced on Wednesday at a press briefing attended by Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal and Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar. Secretary of Higher Education Amit Khare and Secretary of School Education and Literacy Anita Kanwal made the major announcements. The 10+2 structure of school curriculum is to be replaced by 5+3+3+4 curricular structure. Moreover, the name of HRD Ministry has also been changed to Ministry of Education. In the midst of a political turmoil in Rajasthan, Governor Kalraj Mishra returned the plea for the third consecutive time, seeking assembly session from 31st July. After this, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot visited the governor for the fourth time. Both met for 15 minutes. Now, after the cabinet meeting, the government will send the proposal for the fourth time. The governor, while returning the application for the second time, had stipulated that 21 days notice period should be given to call the session. The government sent the proposal for the third time on Tuesday in response to the governor's objection. Now, Rajasthan State Cabinet has approved proposal to call assembly session from August 14. A notice of 21 days has been also given to governor to call assembly session in fresh proposal. In a dramatic hearing on Wednesday afternoon, the Supreme Court warned IIT Bombay to contempt proceedings if it carried through its intention to withdraw from a government project to install a smoke tower to control the air pollution in the national capital. In a sternly worded rebuke, the court said that it would punish the institution for backing out of the project 6 months after the site visit by IIT Bombay and Tata Projects Limited officials, and a draft MOU was drawn up by the CPCB, that is Central Pollution Control Board, in January. In a first, NCP President Sharad Pawar has openly alleged that the BJP is still trying to destabilize the Maharashtra government. In an exclusive interview with a news channel, he slammed the BJP and alleged that the party's claim that it is not interested in bringing down the government are a lie. In a hard-hitting interview, Pawar said that the Saffron Party is unable to digest the fact that it is not in power in parts of the country and has therefore been trying too hard to bring down the democratically elected governments.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.